Well, as you venture down this private, secluded driveway, you'll find 110 Mcgowans Road here in Donvale. Follow my colleague Ripple and I along as we show you through this magnificent home.
Trying to win your heart, trying to get to where you are. And I would live a million lonely lifetimes if I knew I could get back to you. Being without you, being without you.
Over 30 years of waiting, pretty can't justify how special this home has been. This family celebrate many important moments in this home, either jumping in the pool or kids riding on the pony. For the new owners, this self-contained home can easily fit in 3 generations.
I just wanna get back to you. Yeah, I just wanna get back to you. May take some time. I don't wanna find no one but you in my arms. If it's a test, I'm doing my best, but it gets hard being without you.
Well, I'm sure you'd all agree the home really does offer some terrific inclusions. Underpinning your investment here in Donvale is 3 acres of land, potentially subdividable, but it's one you really do need to see to believe. Well, I'm sure you've loved this home as much as we do, and we look forward to seeing you at an inspection soon.
这里的地、房子、人和动物，一草一木、一山一水，都静候你。欢迎，谢谢。